Every time you go online to make a purchase, you get to make a choice. The choice to check out or shop local. Here's the thing. When you shop online, where does your money go? For the most part, you're funding a giant, faceless, corporate vortex. And you know who benefits? Shareholders. Or, you can take an extra minute, take an extra step, do your shopping local, and cause a ripple effect. Because support starts here. Supporting local means supporting the community. And who wouldn't want to move to a community that supports their own? Every new resident becomes a diner at a local restaurant. That restaurant employs local staff who take their wages and tips, and in this case, treats herself to a little pampering after a long shift. So that professional who works at the local spa can now get that fender bender fixed. That allows a shop owner to reinvest into his business by doing things like printing brochures and business cards locally. And at the end of the week, the printers get to enjoy their weekends poolside, thanks to the local team that maintains their pool. And it's a good thing, because the local pool company and all of these other businesses and service providers are more likely to support our local youth teams, schools, churches, clubs, and other causes and events that make our community a strong community.
So before you click, take an extra minute,
Take an extra step.
do your shopping local.
And create a ripple effect.
Support starts here.